Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's section, we are going to look into how to scale an object in AutoCAD. So I must let us know that have you ever imported a drawing into AutoCAD and resized the size is completely wrong. Instead of redrawing everything, there is a simple tool that can fix the size in a twinkle of an eye or in a second. In this video, or at the end of this video, I will show you how to scale objects correctly in AutoCAD, including a professional trick most beginners don't know. So without wasting much of our time, I will let us know that changing the size of objects proportionally is something that we may also need to do in a couple of times while working. For example, we may need to enlarge an object in a way that will be double or sine. By the same reasoning, we could also reduce an object size, let's say to half of the original size. And to do so, we will use a scale tool. And to find this scale tool, you will find it under the modified panel of the home ribbon, which is here. This is the modified panel I always point at. And here are home ribbons. So this is where we are going to find this. So we are going to make use of this object here in order to help us to achieve what we are talking about today. So without wasting time, let's see what we have today on scaling objects. So what you need to do is to go here, see where my cursor is pointing, click on it, and it's letting you know to select the object which you want to scale. Now you go ahead and highlight the object, click enter, and it's telling you to specify base point. So I am going to click here. Now it's telling you to specify scale factor. Now I'm going to reduce this drawing now, this object. I want to reduce it, so I will use 0.5 and I will say enter. Now as you can see, I have reduced the object. Now if I also want to increase this object depending on the scale that you want to do or you want to use, you can still go back here, highlight the object, click enter, they say specify base point, click on it, then I want to increase the object, I will use 1.5. Now the object is big. So without also wasting much of our time, we can also make use of another method. What is that method that I'm talking about? As we all are seeing this particular drawing or this object here, if I also want to duplicate this object without using the copy command or without using any mirror command, I can also make use of the scale command. So let's go on how to do that. You will still come back here, pick your scale, highlight the object which you want to scale, click enter. They are telling you to specify base point. You click here. Now if you look down here, the command box, you will see two options that they are showing you. One is copy, one is reference. So you go ahead and click on copy. Now it's also letting you scale, specify the scale factor. So I am going to make use of I will use 4, click enter. Now see, I have duplicated this thing without deleting the original object here already. So if I want to move this particular one, you can click and set move. So by so doing, we are able to duplicate this using the scale tools and also increase and also reduce our job. So if you found this helpful, please do like to share, subscribe and like.